Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And here we're to teach you everyday vocabulary, right, in the Hakka language. But for today's edition, these are things you don't want happening every day.
什么字不要每天用到？
为什么呢？因为呢，我们以前不是有教过跟开车有关的一些词汇吗？
对啊，
开车、停车等等。
什么红绿灯啊？
红绿灯。OK， 那今天教一些跟可能开车会碰到的一些不好的事情啦，比如说拿到违规单啊、塞车啦。然后最讨厌的、最不想碰到的是车祸，
就发生意外。
对，发生意外，但是还是要让大家知道怎么说。
Okay.
So today we're going to teach you things we do not want to encounter while driving. Okay, such as getting into a traffic jam, an accident, or getting a ticket. 就刚好这三个其实是可能最不想碰到的三件事情。So let's teach you how to say a violation. 违规。违规 Alright, 这个违规呢有包括停车违规啦，超速也是违规啊，闯红灯这万万不可啊，这是违规。
那海陆腔的违规，违规。
That's another way of saying a violation. Now that applies to any type of violation, whether it be a parking violation or a moving violation, a speeding ticket, for instance, 都是违规。Alright, then the most common thing we encounter is a traffic jam. 其实每天的确会碰到的，很讨厌的就是塞车。大塞车，对啊，车挤车怎么说塞车？
塞
查 Okay, that's a traffic jam. This, however, we kind of encounter every day, but we hate it, right? 塞查, that is a traffic jam. And then finally, I hope this never ever happens, it's a 车祸, which is an accident.
查封
恰好, that's an accident. So let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 上班的时候呢，容易塞车. During working hours, there's a lot of traffic jam.
送班时
Okay, that means your commute to work.
懂会塞
查就是懂会很容易，对不对？塞查 Again, that means it's easy to get into a traffic jam. All right, let's review these terms. A violation, 违规and then 塞车 a traffic jam. 塞查 and an accident. Don't let that happen. But accident 车祸
查封
请大家好好小心开车。
对
There you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.